Hey squad, today we're jumping into the smartwatch scene, and I've got some hot off the press details about the Redmi Watch 4 that will make your tech-loving heart skip a beat. So loosen up, give that subscribe button a friendly tap, and let's dive straight into the cool stuff. First off, let's talk about the design. The frame of the Redmi Watch 4 is crafted from sleek aluminum alloy, marking a significant departure from previous models. This is the first Redmi smartwatch to boast a metal body, and it's all about that premium feel. Adding a touch of sophistication, there's a stainless steel rotating crown with a diamond-cut shape, according to Redmi. It's all in the details. Now let's geek out over the specs. The Redmi Watch 4 rocks a 1.97-inch AMOLED display with a silky smooth 60Hz refresh rate. With a screen brightness hitting 600 nits, this bad boy is perfect for all your outdoor adventures. Now, customization is the name of the game, with over 200 watch faces to choose from. Redmi is giving us the freedom to deck out our smartwatches to match our vibe. I've caught a glimpse of some of these faces in the teaser, and trust me, they're pretty darn impressive. But wait, there's more. The Redmi Watch 4 isn't just a pretty face, it's got the versatility to match. 4 different straps: metal, leather, fabric, and TPU. And while we're still in the dark about some specs, we're expecting the usual suspects like 5 ATM water resistance and built-in GPS support for all your navigation needs. Now let's talk about the juice that keeps this beauty running, a whopping 20 days of autonomy. That's almost 3 weeks. Xiaomi is flexing its muscle as the king of smartwatch battery life. And for the cherry on top, charging has never been more convenient. The Redmi Watch 4 features a magnetic charging system, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Fast charging is also on the menu, giving you days of usage with just a quick top-up. Talk about efficiency. Of course, being a smartwatch in 2023, health monitoring is part of the package. Expect 24/7 heart rate tracking and SpO2 estimation, because your well-being matters, right? So, there you have it, the lowdown on the Redmi Watch 4. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the official release. Don't forget to hit that like button, share with your tech-savvy friends, and I'll catch you in the next one.